In this video, you'll learn how to use AirDrop on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Now, the first step is to ensure that the feature is turned on. So to do that, you're going to open up Settings, select Connected Devices, and tap on Quick Share. Next, you're going to scroll down and find Share with Apple Devices and ensure that this feature is currently enabled. The next thing you want to do is simply ensure that whoever can share with you is set to everyone for 10 minutes if that person is not within your contacts list. Then from here, go ahead and find the file that you wish to share. Let's say, for example, you have an image. So all you need to do is simply select Share, choose Quick Share, and then wait for the iPhone device to appear in the list of available devices. Then once the iPhone has appeared or the Apple device has appeared, go ahead and select it. And then the other person just needs to confirm that they want to accept that specific item. And as you can see, the image has been successfully sent. Now, say for example, you're someone on an iPhone and you want to share that specific image with someone on your Galaxy S26. All you need to do is simply go ahead and just share the image, and then select AirDrop. From here, just select the S26 or S26 Ultra. And then, as a person who's using the S26, you just need to accept, wait for it to be received, and then you'll be able to open up the file on your Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.